your second sprint X session of the second chapter, acid, bases and salts. And this chapter is super important. I have told you a lot number of time, because if you attend the session, then you are for gone, like you are pakka gonna save at least 5 to 7 marks for your board exam term 1. So make sure that you are present till the very end in the session, because we're gonna do a lot of questions. Okay, there would be a mix of multiple choice questions, assertion reason question and case based question on the topic these general properties of acids and bases, chemical reactions, indicators, strength and ionization. We have already done in the past session. If you missed that by chance, then make sure that you go and watch the replay of that section, right? Playlist you will get in the link that is given in the description box of this video. Check kar lena. And today we have questions that will be based on pH scale and application, salts and pH of salts, which is super important, and important compounds, and the observations that happens and how can we miss on the water of crystallization. So this is your schedule for chemistry. The next session on 27th would be of metals and non-metals, 9 PM per hi hoga, so you have to stay active there. And this schedule is for your physics, this is for biology and social studies, the finally English by Shweta ma'am. And hats off to Shweta ma'am, she's taking like really so many sessions. That's amazing. So guys, if you are new on the channel, then make sure that you subscribe to it. And sprint X ka matlab to aapko pata hai that how fast forwardly we gonna just revise the entire chapter with the help of questions that you might get to see in your final exam, right? So let's start with positivity as always, because you all are cations, we all are cations, so let's spread cationic vibes around. Practice makes us perfect. No doubt in that. After a long time of practicing, our work will become natural, skillful, swift and steady. And that is what you want. Bruce Lee said this. So guys, we have to keep on doing the practice. And you know, there is no difference between the people who actually win or who are successful. It's just that there is a lot of practice. There's a lot of hard work behind that. And that is what we need to do. So continuous practice is going to make us, you know, just amazing and fluent in one particular thing, that whatever we are interested in. So just keep on working hard for your exam. Whatever topic you find difficult, that will be very easy after some time. Okay, chalo. So first question on our screen: sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of. So I've told you a lot number of time, whenever you are provided with a salt and you want to know its parent acid and base, the first ion always comes from the base. So you add OH. So you will get the idea, sodium hydroxide is the base. Second ion always comes from the acid. You attach H plus ions. Carbonate has -2 charge. So we need 2 H plus ions. So the acid is H2CO3. So that is clearly visible. Tell me in the chat box. Now I want all of you to discuss answers with each other. Stay till the very end, because this is your honesty check with yourself. Okay, ma'am is not watching you like that. So it's your honesty. You have to be honest with yourself, and there's nothing else that matters. I always say that. So irrespective of the fact that teacher is here live with you or not, your focus should be on understanding the question, on solving the question and giving the right answer. Okay, and just learn even if it goes wrong. So that is clearly a combination of a strong base and a weak acid. So what kind of salt it would be? A basic salt. Basic salt hai, so pH of the salt would be more than 14. Easy peasy, you can do it. Second question on your screen: dash is obtained by passing chlorine over dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime mein we are passing the chlorine gas. You know, there would be elimination of water simply, and we would be getting calcium what? Okay, think about it. Okay, so kya ho sakta hai? Calcium what? Okay, देखो मैम ने बताया होगा ये ट्रिक. CaOH, water is out on passing chlorine. We are left with 1 calcium, 1 oxygen and 2 chlorine. Calcium what? Oxychloride, and that is nothing but bleaching powder. Easy peasy. So also tell me the time. How long did you take to solve that question? Compare your time. ओके हर क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू टेल द टाइम दैट यू आर टेकिंग. फिर उसके बाद देखेंगे ओके दैट एवरेज टाइम टू सॉल्व एनी क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस क्लास वाज व्हाट. ओके common salt beside being used in kitchen can be used as raw material for making what? Washing soda, baking soda, slaked lime. अब देखो slaked lime का तो you know that is simply calcium hydroxide है ना. उसे बनाने के लिए तो we need calcium oxide in water, so we are not having common salt to prepare slaked lime. So option number 3 is wrong. However, washing soda and baking soda के लिए the raw material is actually common salt है ना. Because you know बेकिंग सोडा कैसे बनाओगे? यू हैव टू टेक सॉल्वे प्रोसेस करना है, ब्राइन सोल्यूशन, देन वी पास अमोनिया वाया इट, वी पास CO2 अमोनिकल CO2 ammonical brine solution pass carbon dioxide, you would be getting baking soda along with that ammonium chloride. Now they can be easily separated on the basis of solubility difference. Baking soda मिल गया, and if you heat baking soda you would be getting soda ash है ना, साथ में CO2 and water. Now you have to just do the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, you would be getting your washing soda finally. So you are using brine solution, common salt आपने लिया है दोनों के केस में है ना. So correct answer would be option number C, that is 1 and 2. The next question. Match the chemical substance given in column A with their application given in column B. Just hurry up, tell me the answer in the chat box. बता दो, pause the video, see it, ध्यान से देखो what is the correct answer, match it. Okay, and if you feel like you want ma'am to give you some time, so you can pause the video, solve it yourself, उसके बाद then resume it and then check your answer. Okay, bleaching powder is used for decolorization, very important application, whitening के लिए use होता है, clothes, bed sheets, towels, linens है ना. Sodium chloride is used for the production of hydrogen and chlorine. NaOH भी मिलता है साथ में है ना. कौन से प्रोसेस में? क्लोर एल्कली. वॉशिंग सोडा इज यूज्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द ग्लास इंडस्ट्री में, एंड टू मेक बोरैक्स, दैट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन ग्लास इंडस्ट्री. ओके, बेकिंग सोडा इज यूज्ड फॉर एंटासिड, सॉरी दैट इज क्वाइट लॉन्ग वे. एंटासिड की तरह बेकिंग सोडा यूज होता है ना, दैट विल बी न्यूट्रलाइजिंग द एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द स्टमक. सो यू कैन मैच द करेक्ट आंसर, ऑप्शन नंबर C will be matching with that. Okay, fifth question is guys very amazing, so I want you to pause the video actually and solve the question yourself. फिर मैम के साथ करना, it's very nice. This question is gonna test all of your knowledge of the salt preparation, whether you have done the preparation well or not. Okay, see, P substance reacts with another substance Q to produce the product R and a gas S. P ने Q के साथ react किया, we are getting R and a gas S, and ammonia is passed through aqueous solution of R. Okay, R का aqueous solution लिया, I passed ammonia via it, baking soda is formed, sodium bicarbonate is formed. Now if you remember the preparation, the process of sodium bicarbonate, then you would be knowing क्या होगा. Okay, हाँ जी. इफ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ, यहाँ से लिया, सॉरी यहाँ से पढ़ लो. इफ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैस एस भी लिया हमने, ठीक है. अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैस एस एंड अमोनिया इज पास्ड थ्रू aqueous solution of R, we are getting what? Baking soda. So baking soda के preparation में we know that we need a gas, that is ammonia and carbon dioxide. So S क्या है? S here is carbon dioxide. ठीक है. And that aqueous solution जो हमें चाहिए होता है, isn't it brine solution? Think about it and tell me. अभी मैम ने बताया था, yes, we need aqueous solution of sodium chloride, then we pass ammonia and CO2 via it. So आपको पता चल गया that our aqueous solution जो है, that is actually brine solution. S is carbon dioxide. The question says that the substances P and Q are. तो देखो, फिर से देखो, P and Q is reacting to give us what? R. R is your brine solution, NaCl and water, and also they are giving us a gas S, that is CO2. product पता चल गए. So you can tell me about P and Q in the chat box, everybody. If you get it right, मतलब salt आपने अच्छे से किया, ठीक है. So you can see clearly this metal ion है ना, आपको पता है metal carbonates और bicarbonates with the acid only will give us salt, water and CO2. So पक्का पक्का P जो क्या होगा or Q, that would be one metal carbonate, and metal भी given है sodium. So sodium carbonate with an acid HCl. So if you make the products you will get that salt, साथ में water and CO2. ठीक है, option number B is the correct answer. Tell me how many of you did it wrong and what is the correct actually timing that you took to solve it. Okay, so that was nice question. Sixth one, which of the following are correctly matched? Bleaching powder, oxidizing agent in chemical industry? Yes. Baking powder, mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and mild edible acid. Generally we use tartaric acid there. सही है. Washing soda removes permanent hardness of water. All of them were the correct matches. Yes. Seventh question. In an experiment of pH paper, 4 students took the following observation. Okay. Student A ने क्या किया? Sample of water and the color of pH paper is blue. If you remember the color of the pH paper, you don't need to remember them exactly. जो pH scale आपने देखा है, pH value 1 to pH 14 है 7. So I told you, you remember Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green. Around pH 7 you will get green color, then weak acid में yellow, then orange in like moderate acid, red towards the strong acids. Okay, so dilute HCl is a strong acid, red का shade आएगा, true. NaOH is a strong base, you will get bluish shade, true. Dilute ethanoic acid is like, you know, not very strong, not very weak, it's like moderate acid. Orange color, right, orangish yellow color. And water में there should be green color. So clearly student A, है ना, A वाला observation जो है that is wrong. So guys, before going ahead, I just want to share one thing with you, because your exams are coming now. More than 1 month is there, so you still have time. अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं लिया है कोई subscription, or you haven't taken any test series, crash course anywhere, then you want to also, you know, refine your preparation. You're like, ma'am, I want to polish my preparation, I don't want to take any risk. Then you can be a part of Vedantu's regular sessions. You would be able to compete with the students throughout the world, okay, because we keep on conducting the regular test. आपका सारा का सारा, like, you know, everything would be told to you, how long you are taking to mark a question, which chapters are there which are not clear to you, so we would be clearing that up. Okay, so crash course में a lot of questions would be given to you, and like strategic preparation का तरीका would be told to you, and that would be followed for you. Interactive replays are available, like even after you are, the session is not live, you want to watch the recording, तो आप देख सकते हो. And if you are still struggling with the notes, then you would be getting handwritten notes by the master teachers. And doubts के लिए टेंशन नहीं लेना है, जितने भी doubts हैं all of them will be cleared now during the live sessions with the help of class teachers. And term 2 के लिए भी बाद में you can, you know, just attend some micro courses, आप लेके रख सकते हो, so you can watch them later on. Okay, so for extra 10% off you have Shilpi ma'am's coupon code, that is SKA Pro. So ये सब कैसे करना है आपको, मैम is gonna tell you the way. ठीक है, देखो, you have to first of all open the video that we are watching right now. ठीक है, अभी जो वीडियो चल रहा है वो आपको खोलना है, नीचे स्क्रॉल डाउन करना है, देन देयर वुड बी अ लिंक. देखो यहाँ पर लिंक मिलेगा आपको, अवेल ऑल एक्साइटिंग वेदांतु कोर्सेज बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द लिंक्स बिलो, 10% ऑफ CBSE टर्म 1 क्रैश. टैप ऑन द सेकेंड लिंक, CBSE टर्म 1 and 2. ठीक है, उस पर आपको टैप करना है, देन यू जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड डाउन. This is for 1 month, I am telling you, because अभी के लिए there is advantage if you go for 1 month. पूरा का पूरा, let's say 28th को you are taking the enrollment, 28th October to 28th November you are done. So tap on try for 1 month, it will give you enrollment directly in the क्रैश कोर्स, ठीक है. एंड फॉर हाउ मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट? इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, सोशल स्टडीज़, साइंस में फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, है ना. सो इट्स लाइक वाओ, एंड यू आर गेटिंग सो मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स. बायोलॉजी से मुझे डर लगता था, एंड सोशल स्टडीज़ ऑल्सो दे लाइक ओके सो आई विल डू दैम एनी वे. सो दैट इज़ अ complete package that we are offering you. So if you apply Shilpi ma'am's coupon code, that is applied already, SKA Pro, then you get rupees 260 off. You just need to pay 2340 rupees, okay, for 1 month, unlimited classes. If you feel like taking a complete crash course, तो आप पूरे कोर्स का भी ले सकते हो. That is right now available at 2700. Unlimited access till the exam date for term 1. So it depends on you what kind of enrollment do you actually feel like having. इसमें all these points are covered: unlimited live classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes would be given, doubt solving during the sessions, and even after the session we have an app जो आपको classic subscription में मिलता है, that is for 3150. So if I apply the coupon code, I'm getting some discount. If I remove it, it is for 3000 rupees. ठीक है. So मैम ने लगा दिया है कोड. अरे ये क्या कोड लग गया? SKA Pro 300 off. ठीक है. So yeah, this I don't need to convince you for that. If you feel like you need it, then you go for it. नहीं लगता है तो मत लो, ठीक है. It's all up to you. Like आपका preparation कितना हुआ है? Just that I can tell you that this is the best available plan, so you can try that. Okay. So now let's go and see the assertion reason question. Lot of assertion reasoning you will get here. Assertion: on heating, color of hydrated color of hydrated copper sulfate, that is pentahydrated, changes from blue to white. True or false? Then reason says that copper sulfate is crystalline salt. True or false? And is there any relation between the two? Pause the video, tell me how long you're going to take, और अभी की अभी बता दो. Yes, assertion is true, because when we heat a hydrated salt, water of crystallization is going to go out, thermal decomposition होगा. I will get copper sulfate. For a moment the color will disappear. Water अपने साथ ना कलर लेकर चला जाएगा, ठीक है. एंड ये जो कॉपर सल्फेट रहेगा आपके पास, दिस वुड बी लाइक डल वाइट, डर्टी वाइट कलर, ठीक है. सो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. एंड व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज लॉस्ट ऑन हीटिंग, नॉट बिकॉज कॉपर सल्फेट इज क्रिस्टलाइन सॉल्ट, है ना. दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू, बट यू हैव टू गिव एन अप्रोप्रिएट रीजन फॉर दैट. The next assertion: plaster of Paris is used by doctors for setting fractured bones. Yes, definitely. Okay. Reason: when plaster of Paris is mixed with water and applied around the fractured limbs, it sets into a hard mass. True that. And that is why we use it to fix the fractured bones, because आपने देखा है POP is available in a powdery form. ठीक है. What is that plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, and when you add water to it, उस powder में water add करते हो, it would be absorbing 1.5 water of crystallization, and it would be forming gypsum that gives us a hard solid mass and sets together. So जब भी आपके bones fractured होते हैं, if you take a good diet and you are just keeping a plaster over your bones, then वो अपने आप heal हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So we connect that with that hard solid mass gypsum. Obviously both of them are true, and reason is explaining the assertion. Next question: salt of potassium nitrate is formed by a strong base and a weak acid. Okay. Reason: salt of ammonium chloride is formed by weak base and strong base. अब relevance तो कोई नहीं है इनके अंदर, हाँ, not this relevance तो कोई भी नहीं है ना. ऑप्शन ए तो हो ही नहीं सकता. अब देखो, potassium nitrate I am taking, I want to know its acid and base. First में add OH, you will get the base, it is a strong base, है ना. To the second part, add H plus ions, you will get the acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid. So the salt formed would be neutral salt. So assertion is false. So option number D is correct. Reason भी देख लो. Ammonium chloride is a salt that is formed by the combination of a weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide, with a strong acid, that is HCl. So it would be acidic salt, है ना. Weak base and strong acid, true. So D is the correct answer, not difficult. Let's go to the last part, that is the case-based question. I have added more questions this time. So first thing that we will do is to simply just skip that and we can see the question. Can I do it myself? Yes. वैसे भी देख सकते हो केस पेस्ट का what is the you can say the background of this, मतलब basically topic क्या है, base क्या है इसका. We are talking about tooth decay है related to pH. It starts when pH of mouth is below 5.5. Tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate is hardest substance in the body. काफ़ी बातें तो यहीं पर पता चल गई है ना. द टूथ डीके कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड. हाउ कैन यू प्रिवेंट टूथ डीके? we know we can. Tooth decay क्यों होता है? when we are eating something, when we are not brushing our teeth properly, because food sticks there and bacteria will be degrading them and releases acid that makes the mouth ka pH entirely acidic, है ना. So we need to neutralize that, so we have to use some basic toothpaste थोड़ा सा, so that acid can be neutralized, and by rinsing mouth with excess of water after eating, so that whatever is stick on your teeth or gums that can just come out, है ना. and you're just getting, और उससे भी neutral थोड़ा सा medium जो है acid जो भी release होगा that can be neutralized because water has pH 7 and acid का pH is less, है ना. Okay, so both of them are correct, A and B. Tooth enamel is made of a substance known as calcium phosphate. ये तो दिया भी हुआ था in the passage. So tell me the chemical composition of calcium phosphate. Ca3PO4 whole twice. This is calcium phosphate. Just chemical formula. I was asking SE. Okay, tooth decay in the mouth starts when pH of mouth is below 5.5. Yes, है ना, because that will be too acidic and tooth enamel cannot withstand the acidic conditions for a longer time. The hardest substance in the body is lungs, mouth, tooth enamel, trachea. Tooth enamel. That was an easy question. The acidity in the mouth is due to, क्यों होता है? indigestion of food, degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth by bacteria, drinking of mosambi juice, eating of acidic substances, degradation, है ना. That is how it happens majorly. So guys, today we have done the questions which were based on the second part of the chapter also, and I hope these questions really helped you. pH application salt is a very important topic, so make sure that you cover it, and water of crystallization also. Now this is a homework question for you. Which of the following acid never forms acidic salt? Okay, so tell me HCl, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, carbonic acid. Okay, never forms acidic salt. कभी नहीं देखा आपने acidic salt बनाया हो इन्होंने? Think about it. And Shilpi ma'am will see you next time. If in case you feel like coming in the courses for 1 month, that is completely worth it. A lot of students are joining us right now because they are confused. Ma'am, how do we plan these last 30 days strategy? That is very important. We want to do the most important maximum questions जो exam में आने वाले हैं. ठीक है? That is very much important. And coupon code you can use SKA Pro. That's simple as that, right? So if you have any confusion, you can reach out to me there, or you can pen it down in the comment section. Ma'am, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. And do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.